I quickly wanted to explain the different types of blade that we sell. The first thing to always consider is the length. That's the most important thing. If you're not sure what length of blade you need, you can always go to our cross-reference chart that we have online, or you can measure your blade, or you can check your owner's manual, or feel free to call us or text us and we'll help you figure out what length of blade you need. The second thing to consider is the teeth type. Now, the first one here that I'm showing you is a 3 teeth per inch, or 3 TPI. This is the most common one. You'll find this in most supermarkets. This one is your all-purpose blade, easy to go through meat and your standard products. The second one is a 4 TPI, or 4 teeth per inch, smaller teeth, as you can tell, and it's mainly used when you want a smoother cut. So depending on the bone that you're using or that you're cutting, you might want a smoother cut. It might take a little longer to cut than just a little, but it will make a smoother cut and it won't shatter the bone as much. And the third one is the scallop blade. This is more of a slicing knife it's not a bone blade. You wouldn't cut bone with this. If you have meat that has no bone and you're just looking to make slices, or you want to cut cheese, or really anything, we sell a lot of these to people that aren't even using it for food products. So it's just a nice all-purpose scallop blade that you could use for anything. The second thing to consider is the thickness. And even here, our 022 is the most common size, or thickness. You really can't tell the thickness by looking at it. You need a caliper to determine that. And the 022 inch is the most common one. Again, we'll find that in most of the supermarkets, and the one we recommend if you're really not sure what you need. The 025, that's if you have bigger bone, a harder bone to cut. That's when you should get the 025. It's a little thicker. If you're finding that your 022 blade is bending a little bit when you're using it, you should go to an 025. Or that usually is a determining factor. But it will make more bone dust. That's why typically people want a thinner gauge blade. And then our last one is a .016. And this is mainly just used for fish. It's a thinner gauge. Fish, the bone is very soft, and it'll make less waste and less drag on cutting your product. Always feel free to call us or text us if you have any questions. Thank you.